Okay, friends, I am Dr. Heena and today for scholarship grade 4, our today's topic is identifying the similarities. Now here one figure is given to you and four options are given to you. So you have to identify the similar figure from the given four options. Now see, we will directly take the practice exercise 7. Now here in this practice exercise, if you look carefully, um there is one question figure. Now see, this is question figure and you have to select from this option which is the same question figure as given in the question. So see, it has three triangles which are facing towards down and two circles with dot below it and three semicircles above it. Now where is such a pattern? So if you look carefully, option number 2 shows such a pattern because here is also three triangle and three semicircles are there, but these dots are not uh, shaded. So option number 2 is the correct option here. Now see, next question figure where two triangles are there. Okay, now you identify which figure resembles the pattern. Now see, this third number figure shows the same as the question figure is there because it has triangle inside the upper triangle with semicircle and lower triangle has rectangle with triangle. So option number 3 is the correct option here. So this is very easy chapter because you have to just identify the similar figure here. Now see, 3 and 4 you try. Fifth number I will take for you. Okay. Now see, question figure is given here. Now you have to identify the similarities. So it should have flag facing towards the right. On the right side small triangle, on the left side small circle, and below it small square. Now see, where is such a pattern? Now if you look carefully, option number 2 shows the similar pattern. Okay. So option number 2 is the correct option here. Now like this you can solve this. I think it is very easy. Now see here, if you look carefully, this is a question figure and now see, semicircle followed by small circle, then triangle and then standing line. So you have the pattern similar like this. Now see, standing horizontal line followed by semicircle is there, but semicircle is not followed by small circle. So this is not the answer. Semicircle should followed by small circle. So this also not be the answer because it is anti-clockwise. Uh, uh, it follows the semicircle, small circle. Now see here, line, standing line, means slipping line or line segment, after that semicircle, then small circle, then triangle. So this shows exactly the same pattern as the question figure shows, though the direction of line and semicircle, the position is changed, but they follow the similar pattern. That's why third number is the answer here. So in this way you all can try this. Now here also if you look carefully, you want the same pattern. Now count the number of petals. Now here how many petals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 petals are there. So which figure shows 6 petals? It has only 5. This has 6, this has 6 and this also has 6. Now these two butterfly kind of wings. So here are the wings, here are the wings. Everywhere there are wings, but this wing and this curve line has 3 petals in between. Here only 2 petals are there, so this is not our pattern. Here are the 3 petals in between them, and here also there are 3 petals, but these two are facing opposite to each other. Here they facing towards each other, so option number 3 is the correct option here. In this way you can try. It is very easy chapter, only 16 questions are there. So I hope 30 questions are there. So I hope you all can try it at home. I will take the next chapter which is based on logic and inference. So here you have to apply your logical knowledge to answer the question. So first topic is based on age. Okay, now we will solve the first question. Now see, what is the first question here? One second. Now see, Shonak's sister, एक minute. This is only our first exercise, no? Yes. Okay. Shonak's sister Namita is older than Shonak by 3 years. His mother is 4 times the age of Namita. If today here there should be mother's age is 36 years old, then what is the Shonak age? Namita they had given by mistake. Here mother's age is 36. Now see, mother is 4 times the Namita's age. So if mother ka age is 36, what is the age of Namita? So Namita's age is 4 9s are 36. So 9 years old is the Namita's age. Now Shonak is, or the Namita is older than Shonak by 3 years, or Shonak is smaller than Namita by 3 years. So or younger than Namita by 3 years. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 year is the age of Shonak. Okay. So here should be the Namita's mother's age as 36. Mistakenly they only give the Namita's age. Okay. Now Pawan and Dhaval have difference of 6 years in their ages. After 8 years, what will be the difference in their ages? Now see, if two person have some age gap that never change with the increase in age or decrease in age. Okay. So the gap between them will remain 6 years only. Now Prashant's age is greater than 1 by 3 of his mother's age by 4 years and less than 1/2 of his father's age by 4 years. So if father's age is 44-year-old, what will be the mother's age? Now see, if Prashant ka age is 1/2 of his father's age but 4 years less than 1/2. Now if father's age is 44, what is the half of 44? 22. And 4 years less than this 22 means 18 years old. Now we get the age of Prashant, which is 18 years old, because his age is half less than half of his father's age by 4 years. Okay, so we got the Prashant's age as 18 years. Now if his mother's age will be X, then what is the Prashant's age? 18 is equal to 1 by 3x greater than 1 by 3 of his mother's age by 4 years, means 1 by 3x plus 4. Now solve this. 4 will go to this side, so 18 minus 4 become 14. Now 14 is equal to 1 by 3x. Now this 3 will come to this side in multiplication of 4 with 14. So x is equal to 14 multiplied by 3 is equal to 42 years age. So his mother age is 42 years. Now again I will explain. What is given? Prashant's age is greater than 1 by 3 of his mother's age by 4 years. Means whatever age of mother is there, it's 1 by 3rd and you have to add 4 years in it, so you will get the Prashant's age. Now second condition is less than 1/2 of his father's age by 4 years. Means whatever father's age is there, if we do the half of his age, father's age, and we have to subtract 4 from it to get the Prashant's age. So we know the father's age, which is 44 years old. Half of it is 22. 4 years less than 22 is 18 years old is the Prashant. Now assume his mother's age as X. Now 1 by 3 of X plus 4 is equal to Prashant's age. So we just what this 4 is here in addition, so we bring to the left hand side for subtraction. So 18 minus 4 become 14. Now 14 is equal to 1 by 3x. Now here 1 by 3 is in multiplication, so here it goes in the division. So numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. So 14 multiplied by 3 is 42 is the age of mother. Understood? Now the next one. Shalaka is one third of her father's today's age. After 6 years, Shalaka's father will be 45-year old. What is the age of Shalaka today? Now see, after 6 years, his father's age will be 45. So today, what is her father's age? 45 minus 6, because this age is after 6 years. So 45 minus x is 39-year-old is her father at present. Now her age is one third of her father's age. So her age is 1 by 3 into 39. So she is 13 years old. 3 13 ga 39. Okay, understood? Now we'll move ahead. 7 years ago, Samir and Kavita's total age was 30 years. What will be their total age 7 years hence? Now see, 7 years ago their total 7 years ago their total age is 30 years old. Okay, so at present what will be the total of their ages? 30 year plus 7 year age of Samir, 7 year age of Kavita. क्योंकि because दोनों का एज विल इंक्रीज बाय 7 years ना, but 7 years ago this age is given. Okay, now current age, if we have to calculate, we have to add 7 and 7 in it, so it becomes 30 plus 14 is equal to 44 years is the total of their present age. Now after 7 years, what will be the total of their age? So again you have to add 14 in it, so it becomes 58. So what will be the total age of both the Samir and Kavita? It is 58 years old. Understood or not? Okay. 2 times you have to add 14 because before 7 years ka total age is given by them, and after 7 years total age is asked by them. Now Amol's age is one third of Anil's age. If their total age is 28 years, then what is Anil's age? Now Amol's age is one third of Anil's age. So we assume Anil's age as x. Amol age becomes 1 by 3x. Now we know the total x plus 1 by 3x is equal to 28. Now multiply by these 3 everywhere. So this 3 will get cancelled. So it becomes 3x, or make the denominator common. 3x plus x upon 3 is equal to 28. So it becomes 3x plus x means 4x is equal to 28 into this 3. So 4x is equal to 8 3 the 24. 2 will be carry forwarded. 3 2 the 6 and 8 84. So x is equal to 84 divided by 4. 4 2 the 8. 4 1 the 4. 21 years old is the age of this Anil. Not understood? I will explain it again. Now see. What is the age of Anil? We assume Anil's age as x. Now what is the Amol's age? They said ki Amol's age is one third of Anil's age. Okay. Now whatever age is Anil, one third of it is Amol's age. Now one third x. They had given na ki Amol's age is one third of Anil's age. Okay. Now we know ki one third of x plus x is equal to 28 years old because their total age is 28 years old. Now it has denominator 3. It has denominator 1. Denominator multiplication and cross multiplication. So what the equation becomes? 3x plus x upon 3 is equal to 28. Now this 3 is in division here, so it will go to multiplication. So it becomes 3x plus x 4x is equal to 28 multiplied by 3, which is 84. Now x is equal to 84 divided by 4 because it is in multiplication here. So when it go to right hand side, it will come to denominator. So 4 2 the 8 and 4 1 the 4. 21 years old is the age of Anil. Okay. Now this last one I will take, and then we will move ahead. Okay. Now see. The sum of present age of mother and her son is 52 years. 7 years ago, the difference between their ages was 22 years. What is the son's age today? Now see, whatever age difference is 7 years ago, that same age difference will remain at present because age difference never changes. Now there is a formula. Now if we subtract this 22 from this 52, you will get the answer as 30, which is the total age का average, where we subtract the age difference. If we divide this 30 with 2, we will directly get the son's age, which is 15 years old. Okay, so son's age is 15 years old. But they had solved it different way. 7 years ago their age difference was 52, so 7 years ago, 52 minus 14 we have to do, so it becomes 38 because we have to subtract both of them ka age 7 year from this 52, so it becomes 38. Now after 30, after getting 38 years old, you have to subtract this 22 from 38, so you get the answer as 22, no, 16. 16 divided by 2 is the age of son. Okay, because they had used this 7 year ago ka sentence. Okay, so the same method they had used. The age difference is subtracted from total age, and then half of the value which you got is the age of son. Understood or not? Okay, now Shamika and Sanika have 6 years difference in their age. After 6 years, total age will be 42 years. What is the Sanika's age today? Same thing you have to do. 6 years is the age difference in between them. Now, after 6 years, total age will be 42. So, present age is 42 minus 12, because after 6 years this 42 is there. So presently what is their age? So 42 minus 6 years of Shamika, 6 years of Sanika. So 42 minus 12 become 30. Now half of the 30 is the age of Sanika, which is 12 years old, and their age difference is, okay, wait. 42 minus 30, we got 30, we got, so age difference is 6, so you have to subtract first 6 from this 30, so the answer will be 24. Now half of the 24 is 12 years. So younger one's age is 12 years and elder one's is 18 years, 12 or 18, because we don't know who is younger or who is older. If mother son is there, then we can directly say ki mother is always elder than son, so smaller age is of son only. But here we don't know Sanika is elder or Shamika is elder, so either their ages will be 12 or 18, because 12 years younger one ka and 6 year age difference, so 18 years older one ka. Okay, now you can try remaining two sums, because only two sums are remaining. Now we have to solve some problems that are based on relationship, and after that we will take a leave. Then based on comparison and figure counting, that we will take in the next class. Now see, here also you have to use your logical thinking. So Sulabha is Mahesh's son's paternal uncle's wife. How is Sulabha related to Mahesh? Now see, Sulabha is Mahesh's son's paternal uncle's wife. Now he is Mahesh, his son, and his paternal uncle's wife is related to Mahesh in which manner? So Mahesh and the paternal uncle will become brother. So brother's wife is called as sister-in-law. So Sulabha is sister-in-law of Mahesh, matlab bhabhi. Okay. Now understood? सुलभा इज महेश सन, महेश का जो लड़का है उसके अंकल की वाइफ है, तो महेश एंड अंकल बिकम ब्रदर एंड हिज वाइफ बिकम भाभी टू महेश मीन्स सिस्टर इन लॉ. ओके. नाउ प्रांजल्स मदर इज तेजूस पैटर्नल आंट. हाउ इज तेजूस मदर रिलेटेड टू प्रांजल्स मदर? नाउ वन पर्सन इज प्रांजल, हर मदर is Teju's paternal aunt, means Teju's father's sister. So Teju's mother will become her sister-in-law, or Pranjal's mother is Teju's mother's husband's sister. Okay. So now see, Pranjal's mother is Teju's paternal aunt, means Pranjal mother and Teju's father are brother sister. That's why Teju's mother is related to Pranjal's mother as brother's wife, not husband's sister, because Teju's mother is related to Pranjal's mother is asked, not Pranjal's mother is related to Teju's mother is asked in the question. So brother's wife is the correct answer here. Okay. Understood? They had not asked you that how Pranjal's mother is related to Tejal's mother. If such a question is asked, then husband sister is the answer. They had asked Teju's mother is related to Pranjal's mother, so brother's wife. Okay. Now Anish paternal uncle's wife is Umesh's maternal uncle's wife. Now how is Umesh is related to Anish? Now see, Anish paternal uncle's wife. Now Anish and his paternal uncle, means Anish's father and paternal uncle are brother. Okay. Now paternal uncle's wife is Umesh maternal uncle's wife. Now he is Umesh and this is his maternal uncle, means Anish के बुआ का लड़का है उमेश. So how is Umesh related to Anish? Maternal uncle's son, because wait. Okay. Now how is Umesh related to Anish? Umesh related to Anish means who is Umesh in view of Anish? So he is his पैटर्नल आंटीज सन, बुआ का लड़का. सो पैटर्नल आंट सन. Okay. If they had asked how is Anish related to Umesh, so we can say ki maternal uncle's son. But how is Umesh is related to Anish? So Umesh is paternal aunt's son to Anish. Okay. Understood? Who is related to whom is very important because it changes the relation. If Anish Umesh का कौन ऐसा अगर पूछा है तो he become the maternal uncle's son. But if they had asked कि Umesh Anish का कौन तो paternal aunt's son. Okay. मामा का लड़का और बुआ का लड़का. Like this the difference is there. Now I will leave some of the questions for you, and then I will just take one more question. Now see, Mahesh has 3 sisters and 3 brothers. Manisha has 2 sisters and 3 brothers. Manoj has 4 sisters and 2 brothers. Sachin is Manish's brother, and Mahesh sister is Mita. Now see, who has maximum number of brothers? Now see, Mahesh has 3 sisters and 3 brothers. Means in Mahesh family there are 3 girls and 4 boys. Okay. Manisha has 2 sisters, 2 girls and 3 brothers. In Manisha's family there are 2 girls and 3 brothers. Manoj family has 4 girls and 2 brothers, including Manoj they become 3 brothers. Including Manisha they become 3 girls. Okay. Now Sachin is Manish's brother. Now where is Manish? And Mahesh is Manish nahi hai ye, Manisha will be there. Okay. Sachin is Manisha's brother and Mahesh sister is Mita. Now the 3 sisters Mahesh has, in which one of them is Mita. So who has maximum number of brothers? Now see, in Manisha's family there are only 3 boys, but in Mahesh family there are 4 boys and his sister is Mita. So who has maximum number of brothers? So Mita has 4 brothers and Manisha has only 3 brothers. Okay. So Mita is the correct answer here. Okay. So try the relation wala sum on your own so that your brain will be very much active in solving it. Now comparison in changing in name and figures counting we will take in the next class.